Okay, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about tree topology and hybrid topology. Okay, if you want to know about remaining all topologies means please see previous videos. Okay, in previous video I have clearly mentioned about the remaining 4 topologies. Next we will discuss about tree topology and hybrid topology. Okay, tree topology has a one root node and hybrid topology is the combination of two or more separate topologies. Okay, first one tree topology. See this image, this is the pictorial representation of a tree topology. Okay, here each and every node is connected to its root node. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called a hierarchical topology. So tree topology is also called as the hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels of the hierarchy. Okay, if a network is following a tree topology means it always having minimum 3 levels of hierarchies. Next one, features of tree topology. Ideal if workstations are located in groups used in wide area network. Next one, advantages of tree topologies. Extension of bus and star topologies. Expansion of node is possible and easily managed and maintained, because every tree topologies follows a hierarchy level connections. Each and every tree topology have at least a minimum 3 levels of hierarchy. Okay, if we want to increase the connection means if we want to increase if we are able to increase the levels of hierarchies also. Error detection is easily done. Next one, disadvantages of the tree topology. Heavily cabled, costly. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Central hub fails, network also fails. These are all the disadvantages of tree topology. Okay, tree topology means every individual system is connected to its root node. It is also called as hierarchical topology, and each and every tree topology has at least a minimum 3 levels of hierarchies. Okay, every hierarchy has its own root node. Next one, hybrid topology. We already discussed about a hybrid topology. Then it is a combination of 2 or more different types of topologies. It is 2 different types of topologies, which is a mixture of 2 or more topologies. For example, if in an office one department ring topology is used and in another department star topology is used, connecting these topologies will result in hybrid topology. For example, if we are working in a college means in that college many departments are present. Okay, CSE department using one type of topology, for example bus topology. EC department using one type of topology, for example star topology. But in office these two topologies are combined together and all the data are maintained by the office. Okay, there they follows the hybrid topology. See this example. In this example, they are combining 2 topologies. One is bus topology and another one is tree topology. In tree topology, every individual system is connected to its root node, and bus topology, single cable is used to connect the all systems present in the network. Okay, next one, features of hybrid topology. It is a combination of 2 or more topologies. Inherits the advantages and disadvantages of the topologies include. Next one, advantages of hybrid topology. Reliable, has error detecting and troubleshooting is easy, effective, scalable, has size, can be increased easily, flexible. Next one, disadvantages of hybrid topology. It is complex in design and costly, because in this hybrid topology we are combining 2 or more topologies together to complete the transmission. Once again we can conclude about the hybrid topology and tree topology. Okay, tree topology has a root node and it is also called as hierarchical topology. In hierarchical topology, it should follows minimum 3 levels of hierarchy levels. Next one, features. It is used in wide area network and ideal workstations are located in groups. Advantages are it is the extension of bus and star topologies. In star topologies, every individual system is connected to its neighboring systems. In bus topology, every individual systems that are present in the network is connected to a single common cable. Okay, expansion of node is possible and easy in tree topology. It is easily managed and maintained. Error detection is easily done by using tree topology. The only disadvantages of tree topology is heavily cabled and it is costly. Next one, hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is the combination of two or more different types of topologies. Okay, this is the pictorial representation of a hybrid topology. Okay, thank you all.